Okay guys, this is how you get rid of your ESC service light and your engine light as well when it's causing a problem on your Corsa. So this is the Corsa. I have the E-Tech SE 4-door, right? And this is the thing that was causing the problem. We finally got it out. A lot of people say on YouTube it's pretty easy and you have to twist out, but it's actually not. We actually took quite some time. So this rubber thing right here is attached to this, yep, as you see right there. So you have to pull that out. We use a wrench, obviously we couldn't find any other tools. And another part you have to pull out is this right here. As you can see, it has like a white clip on it, and it should have a green clip on under it, but we took that green clip off and just placed it right here to the side. Okay, so what you have to do to take this part out is push the green clip, push the white clip, sorry. This is actually so hard to pull out if you can get it in close up. So this right here, this clip right here is so hard to pull out of this part, out of that part, yeah. So you pull out this wire, and of course you get the electricals out. That's pretty easy. It's a one little clip right here. Just tug that up, and that easily comes up. So what we're going to do now, we're going to replace it with a new valve, or a new pressure valve. And obviously to do that you have to take this off. So obviously we're just plying this part out right with scissors, because it is a pain to get out. It is a pain. Me and my mate, we're just taking turns. Obviously once we're tired you just swap it over. Just do that while you can. Obviously it just saves your strength throughout while you're changing it. Okay, finally. It took some work and effort, but obviously we had to just ply it out with some scissors right there. And now this is off, right? Obviously the one with a bit of a lip on it, that goes on this side, and the one with not lip, it goes into the pipe that's connected to the engine right there, right here, this one right there. So now you just have to blow test it, so just to see if air goes through. If air does go through, that means it's been used and it's faulty compared to the new one, which doesn't let air go through. And as you can hear, it does go through, and this one, no, it does not. So that's faulty. That can go in the bin. That's not needed no more. You might have seen the rubbers are gone from there. It's just because the rubber sticks onto this metal piece right here. If you can zoom in, it was stuck onto there. I just had to ply it out, and now it's just fallen down below. And now this one obviously already comes with a rubber piece connected to that. Okay, now we can get onto the next bit. As you can see, we're just reassembling these parts. So first we put this big wire in first. As when you've done that, you plug this bad boy in. So I'll just remove it to show you guys. So this metal bit right here connects to this bit. If you just turn around, this empty slot right there. So if you just do that, plug it in, and as you can see, it's just fitted on the new one. But obviously before you do any of this, you have to just see how it's placed, because some of the wires, obviously if you bring the camera around, some of the wires can't bend, so it has to be at a certain angle for you to fit it in. So as you can see there, that's how it should be. So this is a bit weird. So once you plug this in, right, this metal bit, just put in a tiny bit. Don't put in fully because you can't put this in yet. So as you put this in a little bit, shove this in. As this goes in, right, you can see it moving in, and then this will move in slowly as well once it goes in down there. So if it goes just like so, you just have to use a bit of force, and then slide this goes. Voila, bang. So now it's done, all of it's in. As you push it in, you'll feel the slot go from the back. Wait, if you can, let's see if the camera could show it. Where's this slot? Nah, you barely can. Yeah, this right here. So the rubber piece just fits in there, and you slide through around there. And as you do that, you plug this in. Just make sure this is flush against this metal thing right here. You can angle it through that. Just make sure it's a bit more down so it's secure. The last thing is the electrics right here. So this is more or less simple. You can see how the latches go on it. So what you do, just fit it on just as so, and it should click on. There you go. So if you do have a service ESC problem, and the engine light does come on your Vauxhall Corsa. This should be the thing to fix it. So that right there, perfect. And this is the old one as well, as you show the new one, and this is the old one. So now this can, I don't know, yeah, perfect.